Uzla,
What?
it's not Satyam. I booked it in city center. Shit. How much time do we have now?
We don't have any time. The movie's already started.
Hi everyone! So in the last video we spoke about 7 things that a wife does. It's only fair that we follow it up with a video about things that a husband does. Clearly it seems that the number of things a husband does is lesser than what a wife does.
Yeah, I agree. I have 5 things
Yeah.
that my husband does.
I mean that's not the only 5 things I do, but the 5 things that we are speaking about today.
So my husband loves drama. The small mundane things become so exciting. I realized this when when we were going for our honeymoon, gone to Thailand, and Thailand has visas on arrival. So once we arrived there, we realized that we had to have like extra passport size photographs
The white background.
with a white background, which we did not carry. We had to stand in the queue for like about 1 hour or so just to get a picture, then again stand in another queue to get our visa stamp. We decided from next time onwards.
Uzna takes care of all the visa processes.
But when we're in Chennai, it's his responsibility sometimes to plan out the entertainment over the weekend.
How much more time?
We have 6 minutes left and the movie theater is probably 4 minutes away. But we'll make it. We're almost there. We have reached. Just look at the seat number now quickly.
Let's go.
Uzla,
What?
it's not Satyam. I booked it in city center. Shit. How much time do we have now?
We don't have any time. The movie's already started.
I'll go fast.
What is this? Nothing for
We
this
have 2 minutes.
serial. No. What?
Our entertainment sort of starts even before the movie starts.
What is life without a little bit of risk?
Please, if the movie is at a certain time, I'd rather go to the movie at the right theater at the right time. He literally makes me run across the entire mall like one maniac, and he doesn't even get me popcorn, guys.
No, I get the popcorn. So usually I send her off and then I run and go. I pick up the popcorn, come in like 5 minutes late, and then I ask her what happened in the movie, and she says I won't tell you because you made it late. And then I have to ask the next person sitting on my right, sir, what happened in the movie so far?
But now I'm sort of used to it that I don't even react to this. So people find me really weird. Like in like panic situations, I'm just like, okay, fine.
So basically, I train people for life. You know?
Laziness. I'm not saying that he's the only lazy guy on earth. Like even I get lazy many, many times. But initially when we got married, this whole laziness bit was not so clear. Sometimes laziness can be misunderstood for no concern.
No concern. I don't think she understands the importance of being idle.
You are idle all the time, Kausi. Honestly, the kind of mind space that he has, really, it feels like, inside his head, there's a Hawaiian beach and it's so open and,
He's relaxed,
he's just
relaxing.
relaxed throughout and he's not bothered about anything.
Don't mind, as long as there's a sun above the sky that shines, I'll be fine.
Or he thinks there's some magic genie who's going to come and do the work for him.
You're the magic genie in my life.
Very funny. Hey, Kausi, get me that water, please.
Water, no?
Ippo idhukku ivlo drama. What kanikette?
Got it for you.
Where there is Tausif, a simple act that would take you maybe like a couple of seconds turns into like this 1 hour long marathon. Seriously. One thing I have to give it to Tausif. He understands when I'm not in my best mood. He understands, okay, she needs a little bit of that boost of positivity. And initially he used to, try many, many tricks. Like he used to sit and talk to me for hours. Then he sometimes used to cook for me or get me something special. But then later on, as we moved along in our relationship,
I think I've understood the crux of the situation. What has to be done at the right time to make her feel better.
Tausif, Lukman is not sleeping. I've been trying for the last 1 hour, man.
Let's go for a drive, Muzna.
Tasif, the grocery guy said the order is cancelled now. We don't have any groceries.
Let's go for a drive.
Tasif, the maid is not coming today.
Let's go for a drive.
You really need to start thinking of something more, okay?
But that works. Every time we go for a drive, you actually become happy after that. It really works. So why would I change anything?
People who know Tasif will find this extremely adorable about him. He's very, very passionate about a few things like reading, movies, music. When we first met, like the initial days when we were getting to know each other, first thing he took me out to was a DVD shop.
Carson Complex, for those who know it.
Pirated, not original. Got me those DVDs, and he waited. Like he pretty much was like, okay, today you have to watch this movie. Tomorrow you have to watch this. So he had like 10 movies planned out for me. He would make sure I watch them and give him a review about these movies. So it's not just about him liking the movies, but he also wants to share that with other people.
You should feel the essence of what you feel, you know. Only then you have that connect. So I used to bring that connect between us by making her feel what I feel.
Musnan, this book is so nice. Probably one of the best books I've read in a long time.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What's it called?
So it's called The Book Thief. Death is telling a story.
Oh, wow.
Nice, no?
It actually sounds like a funny book.
Yeah. Come, I'll read it out to you.
Oh no.
It's okay no, Tasif. I have to go make dinner now anyway.
No, see, we have 1 hour time.
Very fat book, Tasif.
It's okay. It's
Tasif, you already finished a few chapters, no?
No problem. I'll read it out to you. You listen. You only listen. I'll read it out to you from the beginning. Next page.
Next page.
So that situation where Tasif makes you sit and watch the movie that he wants you to watch, or maybe listen to a song that he likes, that whole situation, his friends coined a term for it. It's called being captured. And basically I have been captured for the rest of my life. I know you can't really tell, but between the two of us, I'm the one who plans a little more on the workout front, and I'm a little more into diet. But Tasif gets extremely inspired by me a lot of times.
So I say, okay, let me also start.
Musna, I've started this new health regime. Every day I'm going to do a workout and I'm going to follow it up with 100 push-ups, Musna. Yeah.
Tasif, what happened?
Just taking a break.
He keeps talking about this 100 push-ups a day. Honestly, I've been married to him for 8 years now, and I haven't ever seen him do this.
I haven't reached 100 yet, but I'm getting there.
Yeah, maybe 1 push-up a day, and we are he's done 100 in 100 days. I think the root cause of this also is laziness.
So pretty much you can break down what I do into two: laziness and drama.
There is one element of laziness that you really need to work hard to understand, and there's another part where it's just drama, where you calm down and you just want to deal with
So
it.
basically,
calmly.
people who live with me, they'll become very peaceful people. They'll basically renounce the world and become calm, like saints. They'll become saints.
So this was a look into few quirks that he has, I might say.
Yeah.
But he's adorable, even with the quirks and even the way
Because
he
of
is.
the quirks. Because of the quirks, I'm adorable. Right guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, click the bell icon, like our video, and share with all your friends.
Bye.